What is up, YouTube? Today we're going to be showing you guys how to get your new Colorado Silverado Tahoe, any of that stuff, out of demo mode. So without further ado, let's dive right on in. So the culprit is this screen right here. The issue is people are clicking stay in demo mode and then it's being stuck in demo mode. So we're going to do that right now just so you can see. So pretty much every time you would go to maps, you would have to turn all the stuff on, your location stuff. It gets super annoying. My biggest thing, see, won't let you sign in, right? My biggest thing is you're gonna have to repair your phone every single time. Super annoying. No one wants to do that. So quick easy fix, going here to settings, we're gonna scroll down to system, reset options, restart in safe mode. So basically we're going to restart it, right? And then to exit safe mode, turn your vehicle off, open the driver door, close the door, and wait at least 1 minute before turning your vehicle back on. So we are going to restart the vehicle. It's going to sit here. That screen doesn't really do anything. It will go. I might speed this part up a little bit. Basically, once this part's done and it loads up, we're going to turn the vehicle off, and then we're going to open up the driver door, let it sit for 1 minute before. As you can see, it's starting up again right now. So here momentarily, there, if you see, it is in safe mode, but we can register it. So basically for this, you can register it, register again. It's going to walk you through the setup. You can sign into your profile and everything. You'll be good. Again, to exit the safe mode part, we're just going to turn off the vehicle, open the driver door, close the driver door, and wait for a minute or two, and then you'll be good. But as you can see here, you can accept the terms, continue. You will have to agree to some stuff, blah, blah, blah. But as you can see, when we go here to maps, kind of doing this whole one take thing, no cuts, no edits, why not? See, now we can sign in. And is how you get the vehicle out of demo mode. Hopefully that helped. If it did, like, subscribe. I know I say this, but I am actually focused. We're going to be hitting some new videos out, so stay tuned.